La la la, the forest sings with me. Dream a sound and set it free.
Sprout, what if we could make new sounds? Ones the forest has never heard.
Then let's listen to our hearts.
That's a forest drum.
Boom, boom, boom. It's singing back. You found the sound of sunshine.
Then we'll make a sunshine song. It sounds like the forest breathing.
Because every drop has its own dream.
Even the silliest sounds can be special.
Then this must be the happiest one.
Do you hear that?
It's the sound of imagination.
Music isn't just sound. It's how we feel.
And when we share it, we make the world brighter.
Our imagination made it real.
Every sound starts as a dream.
Then let's keep dreaming forever.